It is currently 3 o'clock in the morning. People are still asleep upstairs. I think I need to go wake my dad so we can get to the airport.
So we made it past security, thank God. It wasn't too bad actually, considering it's like, what, 4:30 in the morning or something?
Yeah, they waved us to go to TSA. Look, that's like, this is so cool. It's like we're in a rainforest. Oh, there's someone behind us. We gotta keep walking.
It's fine. So usually we take something called plane train over to our concourse. But since we're just went over, we decided to get out and walk, and it was actually kind of a good call, because look at the ceiling. It's like a rainforest. We got rain sounds going. There's some projections up there. We have landed in MCO, and the first thing that we have to do is check out the Disney store. What do you think? So this is the first time that we're going on a Disney cruise, and we're a little bit lost on what to do with our luggage. We don't know if we have to go pick it up from
We'll find out.
baggage claim or not. But we're gonna go ask some of the Disney people right now because they might have it already. So we'll find out.
Should be on its way to the cruise. Cross fingers it makes it there. I don't know what we'll do if we don't. Most of our stuff is in there.
So we have made it on to the Magical Express bus. That's gonna take us to Fantasy, right?
Yep, fantasy.
Fantasy, yep. So far so good. It's about a 40 to 45 minute drive. Almost as long as our flight from Atlanta, actually, but the weather here is great.
It is. Alright.
It's like 60-something degrees. No, 64 was the high today, so can't wait to get down to Cozumel, where it's going to be 85 and sunny.
So we've made it to the terminal. Getting here super early has completely paid off. We are here. They haven't opened the doors yet. We've already checked in. Plus with the online checking in, it was super fast. And we're number 21 to board the cruise. So we're going to be one of the first people to get on the cruise. And it's going to be delightful.
I don't know if that's like a boarding group, or is that like we are number 21.
Your boarding number is 21.
Oh, wow. Okay. So, yeah, we're probably going to be one of the first people on the ship.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
So we'll update you if that's incorrect. But day 0 of our Disney cruise is going pretty well so far. So we thought our boarding number meant not groups. Little were we wrong, it is by groups. So we're not the 21st person to get on, we are the 21st group to get on.
finally getting on the boat.
One through 21. Thank you. And under the Mickey ears.
If I may, congratulations.
Thank you.
Amazing. Tell me, what's the family name?
Flores.
Flores family?
Yes.
Let's have a great week, shall we? Come on in. Flores family.
You want a picture with the tree? So we just had lunch. Yeah, one more day. Amazing. And now we are waiting for a room. We have this little band over it saying that we can't get yet. So a couple more minutes.
Should be about another 15 or so.
1:30 really means 1:30. So we're waiting. Take that. It's heavy.
So we just came back from dinner, and looks like our bed was turned down, or turned up, whatever you want to call it. And we got a little towel with a heart in a heart shape with some chocolates. Some Godiva chocolates too. Some of the good stuff.
All right. It's been a long day.
Yes, it has.
And a lot has happened. So we disembarked, and then we went and saw a show right in the atrium of the ship where Mickey and Minnie and the gang lit up the tree, which you'll see. We'll put a little highlights of that. And then we went to dinner, and luckily we are seated at a table with two other couples that are also on their honeymoon, which is great. So we're not sitting with kids. And lo and behold, one of the couples is literally 2 towns over from where we are. So
yeah, they live about 15 minutes away from us. So
that was really cool.
What are the odds?
Yeah, but they were really cool. So glad that we get to share dining with them for the next 7 days.
Well, 6.
6, because
5 days actually, because tomorrow we're doing our fancy dinner.
Our Apollo.
Yes.
We're eating with Apollo, so I'll take lots of pictures. Don't want to be rude and videotaping the Apollo. So, yeah.
I mean, most of it probably comes from us being tired because we've been up since like 2:30 in the morning. But we've just been completely, over the moon. Well,
over the moon, yeah. But
over the moon and exhausted with everything that's been happening. So we've tried to get a little bit of vlogging done today, and I think we've done kind of But we did
we vlogged a lot.
We did get some really good highlights. Like I got some really good footage of the Christmas tree lighting, and then we got some I got a nice time lapse of us leaving the port. By the way, if you see us rocking a lot back and forth, it's because we're in kind of choppy waters right now.
Yeah.
So
all I have to say right now is I got a full stomach and a rocking boat, so we're going to bed.
Yes.
Here we go! In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Buster Station.
Are we inside the theater?
Yes, you go inside it.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, so while everybody else can wait outside and it might be freezing, we get to wait inside the theater. But I also feel like that means we're like the last to get on a lifeboat.
Yeah, wouldn't you want to be outside where the lifeboats are to get on the lifeboat?
Yeah, we might be like SOL. End of day 1. Day 2, at sea. We'll have fun. We don't know what we're doing yet.
Where's the button? Where's the button? That's not the right button.